Yeah, man. Take a look, guys. This is my diorama down there. I got a bunch of Hot Wheels. Know what I'm saying? What you guys think? Let me know, man. Take a look. Very, very nice.
Oh, that's cute. I love that. It's just a little jump, but you can filter it up. Yeah, exactly. That's fine. Okay, now show.
Very nice scenery, guys.
No, he's okay. He's taking it. It's fine.
Yeah, man. Take a look. This is the 94th floor here in Chicago. Yeah. Take a look. Look at that sun. Yeah, hey, what is up, man? What is up, everybody? We're back in AZ already. Take a look. This thing just got delivered today. There's the date. Yeah. Got our tools. We're gonna see what all comes in here. This box is full of goodies. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Take a look, man. Damn, very nice. Thank you, Ruben. Ruben is the person that sent us. Damn, take a look, man. First things first. This is the Samac 67 Chevelle SS. Damn, we don't have this casting. This is fairly recent. This was just came out. Take a look. This is the McLaren 720S. Also Samac. Thank you, thank you. This thing is very nice. Very, very nice. And let's see. Yeah, take a look, man. Volkswagen Cool Combi in orange. New from 2013.
That's a 2013?
Yeah, 2013.
Dang, man. Let me see.
Very nice. Take a look. Born in 1950. Birthplace is Wolfsburg, Germany. The designers were a Volkswagen Group. The specialty, this classic Volkswagen Type 2 bus with side windows and removable rear seats. It's got a name for being both a passenger and a cargo vehicle combined. Damn, that's a good history.
These look like tunes, though.
Yeah, they kind of look like tune, but still, man, they look. Oh, very nice. Take a look, man. This is the red Cool Combi, and this one doesn't have the back info.
That's a different year, though.
But yeah, this is a different year. Damn, very nice. And also take a look, man. Cool Combi in the white. This one we did not have at all.
It's like a silver and white.
Is it silver and white? Oh, this is like a pearl. White pearl. That's what it is. Damn, this thing is sweet. It's got light blue tint. I think this is a color variation for the orange. It's got the same graphics, the waves, and almost like inverse colors. You see the white, you see the orange. Very nice, man. And it's also from 2013, and it's got the blue base. Damn, I really like the temples. Very nice. And I do believe he sent us a 3. Let's see. Yeah, I got two red.
Each, right?
Well, there were some that we already have, but I wanted to have a 3 of each. Take a look, because we are gonna open one and put it on our display. So yeah, take a look. There's 3 of the white, 2 of the orange, 2 red, and so far 1 blue. Damn, take a look. Also, this is Nissan Skyline from the Fast and Furious. Very nice, man. Very nice casting for sure. Damn. And this a Volkswagen Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. Also wanna, I think this is the second one we have. We might bust it open and put some real riders soon enough. But yeah, let's see what all comes in here. Oh, this one right here, man. Take a look. This is the Kmart exclusive Nightburner 71 Datsun 510. This makes our second one.
Yeah.
Very nice, man. Very nice with the red interior. Left-hand drive. Damn. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. And this one got a little bent.
Oh, that one's nice.
Yeah, this is the Ford F100 Samac. So this one came
What
with
year
this
is
too. 56.
No, the card, bro.
Oh, this just came out, man. This is from the Samac wave.
The what?
These 3 came together in the what is it?
The T case or what?
No, the M case.
Oh, M?
Yeah, it's just this is like a
Exclusive?
probably that's why it has that weird number.
So all 3 of those are Samax from the newest case right now?
Yeah, they came out all 3 together. And there's a second cool combi, and I believe we had given David, my bro David, one of these. So this makes our second or third. We got 2 complete sets, missing the Civic EF for both.
Yeah.
And then we had an additional CRX. And now this is a third CRX. So this is the third one. This one we're gonna open for sure. But yeah, man, take a look. This one kind of resembles the one that in the 9 packs or 20 packs, but it's not quite the same. And here's the rest of the set. So we're just missing the Honda Civic EF.
We got one of them though, right?
Yeah, that one is still in that box, which I have not uploaded. But yeah, or I haven't even made a video for it. But yeah, man, this is a good welcoming back from Chicago. We got JDM, bunch of cool combis, Volkswagen, and the Samax. Very nice mail call for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, because we don't have these at all.
Yeah, these ones we did not have at all. For the most, I think we just missing the red edition. That's about it. but I haven't really checked all the cool combis available.
Nice.
But yeah,
This will make the second one.
we found two at a Walmart. This is the third one, so this is the one to open. This one right here.
Are you gonna swap the wheels on it?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna put some real riders. Anything that we got triple, gonna bust it open and put some new wheels and put new wheels and put them on our display. So yeah, stay tuned for those guys, and
When you gonna make your?
that's about it.
When you gonna make your custom video?
We'll see, man. We'll see.
That's it, man. Hope you guys enjoy this type of video.
Yeah, definitely,
Let
man.
us know when you guys want that other one right there.
Yeah, that one is just waiting, man. Waiting. Anyways, that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
Go watch our live hunts from Chicago if you want.
Yeah. Peace. Damn, man. Take a look, guys. We still here. It got dark. Still on the 94th floor. And, yeah, man. I'd like to take the time to say thank you to every single subscriber, man. For sure. Every single subscriber, man. We appreciate you. And man, this is beautiful right here, man. Take a look. This right here is the city of Chicago. Yeah. Very nice, man. Very nice view for sure. But yeah, thank you everybody, you know what I'm saying? Peace. Make sure you give us a like. Stay tuned. Yeah.